Hi there! In this video, we are going to walk through how to access Snap Retail's 2020 Holiday Marketing Toolkit. Now, first things first, what is included in this toolkit? You're going to receive 4 free downloads, including 100 holiday subject lines, as well as great graphics for social media. But you'll also receive access to 4 free video trainings, things like how to sell gift cards through email, as well as your best social posting times. If you're looking to download this toolkit, you can grab this link from here or in the comments below. Then once you head over to this landing page, it's as simple as filling out this form. You're going to want to include your first name, last name, email, company name, phone number, as well as are you a current Snap Retail customer? Now, if you're not already a client of Snap Retail, no worries, all of these downloads are still going to be free for you and accessible through this link. Simply hit that orange submit button, which brings you to your toolkit. And from this landing page here, you can access all of our freebies. Now, if you want to jump in and see our 100 holiday subject lines, you can hit that download button. It's going to open up that graphic here. You can see it's a 3-page PDF with all of those incredible subject lines. And if you click on that little down arrow here, it's going to download this PDF to your computer. So it's as simple as that. In just a couple of clicks, you can get your subject lines, your graphics, as well as your videos. Last thing to make note of, if you are looking to get started with online marketing for the holidays, including those retail holidays that are coming up right around the corner, you can get started with a free 14-day trial of the Snap Retail software straight from this toolkit as well. If there are any questions, don't hesitate to type those into the comments below. We'll be happy to answer them. Or you can always give us a call, email us, or reach out to us at snapretail.com. Thanks and enjoy your toolkit.